I'm doing this today. I'm excited, I'm happy, I don't have words. This is pretty, don't you think? I think it's pretty. I'll lip sync. But this is pretty. You can use this look for this is like a rainbow look. I mean, you don't have to do both the eyes like that way. You can use this eye, or you can do that exactly like that. But you can use this for like Mardi Gras, just a rainbow look, just a fun look, party, night out, just anything. Just go crazy, just have fun. Like, I'm just sitting at home and having fun. So just go out, post-COVID, go out, have fun, do this look cool, have fun. I'm just repeating words. Okay, I'll show you how to do this look now. Let's go. So I've already done my base. Ready? I'm gonna do my eyes now. Let's get started, let's do a rainbow dance first. I'm gonna use Morphe X James Charles and taking this color here, yellow, vibrant. Take some yellow and I'm gonna place it in here. I want all the colors to like really pop, so I'm going to use a lot. Now that I already have yellow, I think I'll just do the other one too. Okay, now that the yellow is done, I'm going to take orange, using this orange right here. Orange in the middle. Already looks like a sunset. And then here as well. And then after that, I'm gonna use this just a little bit, and then this, so that it's like a peach, reddish, orangish, and then red, if that makes sense. I just said different colors like it didn't make sense. I don't know what I said, but just, I'm sorry, just bear with me. That bright red. I love that red. So red. And then blend. And now the other eye. I mean, the top of this and bottom of that. Do you guys have fun when you're doing all of this? Like, I've talked to a few people and they're like, makeup is just so stressful and takes so much time. They don't enjoy doing it. But for me, it's like therapy. This is my weekend and I enjoy doing it. Like, this is so much fun. So much better than going out. I mean, people do wear makeup and then go out, but I'd rather just do makeup and sit at home. Just look pretty. Now for the other eye, I'm gonna use green. I'm just packing on color right now, and then the next one is blue. Should I use this or not? I'll use both. And now I'll use this blue. And now purple. This purple first. I forgot to do the bottom. I'll come back to that. This is purple. Okay, I'm doing the bottom and then we'll blend. Now blend. I think I need to add more colors in this one, but I love it. This is what I was saying, like this is therapy, and then this just makes me happy. Like after I do the look, like I know where it's going and I know I'm achieving something. It just makes me happy. Gives me happiness. Every single video that I make, in the end I'm like, I'm happy, because I am. So I did this yellow first, and then that orange, and then I did this, then that, and then this. So there's like more shades. Because this side was really overpowering, so I needed more. See, there's like 5 shades now. It's a rainbow! You don't have to do both of these. It's just a fun look. I'm just having fun. This is a pride look, a rainbow look, a fun look. It's just all looks in one. You can just use it according to your what's the word? I don't know, guys. English isn't like my first language. It gets a bit difficult to sometimes explain the feelings. Sometimes you just want to use your Punjabi words. And it's the same when I'm talking in Hindi. It gets difficult to like explain things in Hindi. Ah man, I give up. Hindi mukh gayi meri. Punjabi chi aa jao. Now I'm gonna do my eyeliner. So this isn't my eyeliner, it's my sister's. It's a mess. Maybe she put it there so I don't steal it. You know what? I did my liner, but I forgot to put the highlighter. I'm actually gonna use the other Morphe palette and use this gold. It's so gold. It's so nice. You see that? It's so cool. You know what, guys? I'm really forgetful. Like, really forgetful. I'll put something somewhere and then I'll be like, oh my god, where is it gone? So, I'm a pastry chef, and the other day, I thought I left my pants at work, but I did not, because we have to wear uniform. Went to work, did not take my pants, was wearing my trackies, and I go to work and I'm like, where's my pants? And I'm like, no, I definitely left my pants here and they're gone. I don't know where they are. I need to find my pants. I had to work that day in my trackies and they're so thick. And the kitchen gets really hot. And even my head chef was like laughing at me. Just forget everything. Everything. And then I came back home and I found it in my washing machine. story of my life. Using my white waterline pencil, Sephora. There's water coming out of my eyes. Highlight my brow bone. Gold. I'm using Nude by Nature mineral powder. There was some shadow that dropped. Mascara. Maybelline. Does anyone else like my eyes? I like my eyes. And this is today's look.